Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Rajveer, and today I am in my workplace. I'm at my workplace, so this is my classroom, guys. All right, so I have just finished with my today's all work. Everything I have finished. I've done with my grading part and everything. So, guys, I thought of sharing with you all my few experiences. Actually, few tips if you are going for an interview for the first time. So here are my few tips for you. I hope it will be helpful for you. So guys, the very first tip is dress well, guys, because dressing is something very important, one of the important things which when you are going for an interview. Because I have experienced this when I went for my interview for the first time. I was not that much experienced, and I mean, everyone, for the first time, nobody have got the experience, and so only after trial period, after trying for like few times, then only we get to know what we need to do. So when I went for an interview, I just wore casual t-shirt and one pair of jeans. Simply, I just went for an interview, and I was since it was my first interview, and I was not knowing about anything, so I did not got selected. But guys, I really want to tell you that dressing is very important. You should, if you are going for an interview, especially for a teacher interview, because I am a teacher by profession, so make sure that your dressing should be very uh, formal, because it is going to make an impression. So try to wear a t-shirt along with a trouser pant. All right, and if possible, try to wear a blazer on top of it. So if not blazer, but please wear a formal clothing, guys. Your appearance is going to be going to put an impact on them, because these days, it's just very competitive out there, that. But if you will take care of few things when you are going for an interview, I'm sure that you are going to nail your interview. So the first thing is your dressing. Next is, guys, your portfolio. Your portfolio is something which is going to speak about you, so make it very strong. All right, you can google it before going, and you can just include your resume, you can include your cover letter, you can include your teaching philosophy, your teaching methods. You can keep some of the few examples of lesson plans, anything means, and your degrees, of course, and your certificates. Make sure you keep all this inside in your portfolio, and make it a little attractive. There are a lot many information on the internet, guys. So just before you go for an interview, make sure you work on your portfolio, because your portfolio is going to be like, your portfolio is going to uh, speak about you, who you actually are, what are your qualification, what are your capabilities. So make sure that you make a strong portfolio. Now next one is, guys, next is your body language. Your body language is should be very you know you should look confident when you are interacting with them, because the people these days, they will ask you questions when you are in an interview, but when you are answering them, they are not going to much focus on what you are answering, but rather they are going to focus on how you are speaking, what is your body, how you means what is your body language. They are going to focus more on that, because these days everybody needs a person, needs a kind of employee who is confident about themselves, and who can speak properly, who without any hesitation, without any nervousness, they can speak to other people. This is what exactly they want to see in you. So try to interact with them in a confident way. Don't sit with cross legs, guys, and just sit straight. All right, sit straight, and with a smile. Don't smile too much, just a little smile on your face, and give all the answers very calmly. Don't try to rush out things, because when you try to rush out, there means people won't like it, guys. I'm talking about from my own experience. People are not going to like it when you rush things. So take your time, all right? Give the answers very calmly, and make sure that when you are speaking, you are confident. You don't fumble. Don't fumble, guys. If you are nervous, do one thing. Just one day before the interview, stand in front of the mirror and practice 2-3 times on how you're going to speak in front of them. So practice, because you all know practice makes a man perfect, and you are going to be perfect when you are going for when the next day you're going to interact with your like the people. all right. And the next is, and the last one is, guys, the questionnaire. So you should, if you are going for a teacher interview or any other field, make sure that you google it first. You do a little research before going for a particular interview. Do a little research about their institution, do a little research about the type of questions related to that field. For example, if you're going for a teacher interview, then make sure then make if going for a teacher interview, then make sure that you have, prepare the questions, the type of questions which they may ask you, like tell me about yourself or something like this, or something like how you are going, why you feel you are fit in this institution, why you feel like you are fit in this position. So these type of question, how you're going to deal with the parents, how you're going to deal with some few problems if arises, how you're going to deal with them, how you're going to present this institution to other people. So these are the few types of questions which you can prepare when you're going for an interview. All right. So guys, I hope this will be helpful for you, because this have helped me a lot in achieving my first job. I hope that these tips will be helpful for you when you're going for your first interview. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you all in my next video. I'll be on my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you so much. Take care all. Bye bye.